Namaste all of you. Today I am making poha potato cutlets. For that I am using 1.5 cups of poha, then half cup semolina, 2 boiled potatoes. Then I am using 1 chopped onion, coriander leaves, capsicum, few green chilies. And in dry spices I am using red chili powder, ajwain. This is garam masala. Masala I am using little bit, coriander powder, then cumin powder little bit, and salt. So next step I am going to do is I am going to wash it and soak it for 5 to 10 minutes, like that I am going to soak this poha. So as you can see, I soaked it for 7 minutes like that. Now it became soft. So you have to take out the water. I'm going to squeeze it and take out if water is there. Then now next step is we have to mash it nicely. Like how we used to make the dough, like that we have to mash it. Now I'm going to add little semolina. Then potatoes. We have to mash the potato nicely. After that I'm going to add the onions, coriander leaves, capsicum, green chilies, then all the dry spices. So now I'm going to mix them. So like this we have to make the dough. Now I'm making small cutlets with this. So I'm applying little oil in my hand. Like this we have to take small balls. We have to do like this, press it. Like this we have to make. So one more I'll show you. Like this we have to do. So like this we have to make. Now I'm going to fry it. So now I'm applying little oil to the pan. So one by one you can fry it on medium flame. Now turn on other side. So both sides we have to cook on low to medium flame. We have to cook this. we have to cook it nicely so that from inside also it should get cooked. So that is why I am cooking on low flame. Otherwise it will cook from outside only. So in the same way now I am cooking next set. While making the dough, that time I didn't use water, so no need of using water. So like this you can make the poha potato cutlets. So friends, you can see my poha potato cutlets are ready. You can serve this with chutney or sauce. So it's a very easy and quick snack. Thank you friends for watching.